Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a very important question to ask you. Are you overwhelmed by all of this trading information? If you're a beginner and you're hearing all of these people, you're joining chat rooms, you're watching YouTube videos, and do you feel like everybody's saying something completely different? Somehow you get 10 different traders tell you 10 different things and it all gets so confusing. I know what it's like to be in that same situation. I was there when I first started. I was looking at trading and I was so bored. I was watching makeup videos on the side because I was not focused in it. I didn't really understand the first few steps to take. So in this video, I'm going to share the step-by-step guide on how I would start trading as a beginner if I started from zero today. So let's get started. Step 0. Why do you want to start day trading? If you said it's because I want to make money, that's going to be a problem. Day trading is probably not going to work out for you as you thought it was going to. The traders that are the most successful and the ones that actually make it are not the ones who are looking to make money quick. They are the ones who love the charts, love trading, have that certain obsession of becoming a better version of themselves every single year, are okay with uncertainty as well, and they're the ones who love journaling too. If you want to learn day trading, I need you guys to understand that it has a lot to do with the process that you build before anything else. Don't think of it as, I just want to make money quick, because this is a process and this is going to take time. And the more love that you have for it, the money is going to come as a byproduct of all of the hard work that you've already done. Before starting anything, before opening any platforms, make sure you have the right expectations. Step number 1, learn the basics of trading before you jump right into the strategies. Everybody's like, tell me what strategy, what setup do I take? Learn the foundation, the basics. What is a candlestick? What are market hours? What is pre-market? What is after hours? What type of order types there are? What kind of platforms? It's like building a house. If you don't have the right foundation underneath the house and you put everything on top of it, it's all going to fall apart. Make sure you understand the basics before learning anything else. Step number 2, pick your tools. I use Stocks to Trade for scanning. I use Thinkorswim for going long. I use my own Discord channel to journal my trades, and I also use Excel sheets to keep track of it in a more mathematical way. There's a common misconception that you need to open 10 different platforms and then see which one has like the best deals or whatever. That's not true. You only need 3 things. Pick a good scanner, pick what platform you're going to use to trade, and pick a journaling system. Keep it as simple as possible. Step number 3, pick one market, one strategy, and one setup and stick to it. When I first started, I was over trading like crazy, and I thought the more times that I'm trading, the better I'm going to be, because I'm going to have so many strategies under my belt. But the truth is, it only takes one good strategy to become profitable. Make sure you only stick to one and learn one, and then once you have that under your belt, you can always just add another one. And the way to pick a strategy, you're kind of analyzing different ones, but the one that you feel a little bit more comfortable with, stick to that one. Step number 4, paper trading. It's a very positive thing to start off paper trading because you're going to get the hang of things. I don't say paper trade with $500, $100,000. Make it believable. Treat it like actual trading. Write down your watch list. Write down your plan. Trade your setup or whatever you're feeling comfortable with. Journal it and screenshot it and make sure you have everything written down before you ever risk real money. Do not feel pressured by a lot of people that might say, oh, paper trading, it's not like real trading. It isn't real trading because you're not involving emotions, but at the end of the day, you're getting repetitions in and you're understanding the platforms a little better. Just for the sake of getting comfortable and understanding things before go in for real. Now, step number 5, it is finally time to open your brokerage account after you've had a lot of studying and also a little bit of paper trading. Make sure that you open your brokerage account with money that you can afford to lose. Don't trade it with your rent. Don't trade it with debt. I want you guys to understand that the market doesn't care about the things that you're going through. Treat it like tuition. If you're going to college, you have to pay 4 years to learn that education. The same thing is with the markets. Whatever you put into the first brokerage account, you should plan for it to be lost. Hopefully it doesn't, but in the case that it does, you can just refund it again. So you're not stuck in a situation where you're like, I can't pay rent. If you start feeling that way, you're also going to bring that to the market and you're going to force trade. So make sure that you are not making emotional decisions based on the money. Step number 6, one share, one contract. All you're doing in this beginning stage is gathering data for yourself and making sure you understand what feels comfortable, and then size will come in later. You want to take 100 small trades and not just one big trade that will magically make you into $1 million, because that's not going to happen. Step number 7, and nobody talks about this: journal everything. I have my own Discord channel with a bunch of different categories where I'm going to screenshot the trade, paste it on my Discord, write down why I entered, why I exited, the emotions I was feeling, and journaling throughout the day to make it as easy as possible. This is actually going to be the thing that makes you exponentially grow, because you're going to take what your mentor's teaching you, and then you're going to take yourself, and then you're going to put it together, and then that's what's going to help you create the process for yourself. So you no longer have to rely on me or anybody else. You're going to be able to do it on your own, and that is the goal. Step number 8, every single weekend, sit down, even if it's just 30 minutes, review everything that you journal throughout the week. And that is what's going to bring you the patterns. That's what's going to tell you, this is working, this isn't working. I need to size down on these. I need to size up on these. I understand these. All of the underlying patterns are all going to come from all of the data that you're gathering. Once you know the actual numbers and the actual math, that's when you're going to be able to see what underlying issues do I have that I need to fix right now, so in the future they don't come back to me. Step number 9, find your community. And I am not telling you go and look at every single one of the chat rooms and then start talking to everybody. I'm talking about find people that have very similar styles to you, that have similar values to you, and see it through the same lens as you do. Learn from them. Push each other to be the best version of yourself, but ignore everything else and ignore the noise. Find the ones that are meant for you. And step number 10, be patient. The first year is going to be hard. The second year is going to be hard. And honestly, most traders take around 2 to 3 years to be consistent. So make sure that you're being patient with yourself. You're being patient with the process, and you don't want to quit. A lot of people will start out and they're going to take size and they're going to take a bunch of trades, and then their accounts will be decimated and they might not be able to continue with day trading. Please be careful. Please understand the process. Follow the steps and don't try to rush anything. You want to look for something sustainable in the long run, not something that you can do in the next 6 months. Learn the process and you're going to thank me for the rest of your life.